In this video we're going to talk about how to connect or pair your GPS Garmin with your iPhone. So if you have a Android, surely it will be kind of the same, but the idea is, I was thinking like a couple months ago, I was thinking, well, Garmin, they're dead. I mean, it makes no sense to have them now that you have your iPhone and you can use Google Maps. But if you want to have an extra screen on your computer, I mean on your car, this will be one way to have it. So, and also I was thinking, well, this is good because sometimes when I go to customers and they don't have any signal, I mean, you go to the boonies and there is nothing. I mean, I have Verizon and you go and there is no signal, no nothing. So this is a good thing to have as a backup. So that way, if you have no signal, you can go everywhere. You can download the maps on your phone and Google Maps as well. It's just the offline, but if you want to have a backup, always have a backup is a good thing. I'm going to show you this Garmin. In this case, this is the 7-inch. I've never seen a Garmin so big. So in this case is Garmin Drive Smart 71 with, I mean, the model is X with traffic. So this is what you're going to see. This model has been discontinued. Here it says 6.95 screen, but you know, with Bluetooth technologies, and it has Wi-Fi, so you can download all the maps here. So this is very easy. You just turn it on here on the back. Now we see this. Usually, once you connect to Wi-Fi, it will detect if you have maps that needs to be updated, and it will do it. So that is a good thing. For instance, now we have, I think it was a version 7 something, and then now I have maybe 11 something. Okay, now you click accept and everything. I don't know why the screen went so dark, but you can go to brightness and then all the way. There you go. Now much better. So basically, when you turn it on, where you have to go to settings, and then, like I said before, if you have Wi-Fi, you should be able to connect it and upgrade everything. So to connect to Wi-Fi to download updates, let's see. So I think I have to turn on my Wi-Fi. I don't have Wi-Fi here where I am right now. Enable. There we go. Let's go. Let's connect. Okay, now it says, okay, up-to-date maps and the software, everything. Otherwise, you click here where it says install all, and that's it. So that should be easy, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So now it says connected to Bluetooth, but if you don't have it, you have to go to this option and try to pair it with your phone. So what you have to download is this app that you see here that says Garmin Drive. So you download a Garmin Drive and you will see a few options. I'll go back. Okay, here is going to ask you where do you want to go. Let's stop there. Let's say let's go to Planet Fitness. There we go. As you can see, go, and then that's it. So as you can see, start calculating where I am. I don't have signal, GPS signal, but if I put it in the car.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on 8th Street West.
There you go. And it works just fine, just like that. So you don't have to type it. Otherwise, you have to go here. Let's go back, stop, address, where to go, and then you type the address, and then the way you go. So basically, it's very easy. It's the same thing like the other Garmin's, the old ones, but this is way easier with that option. So hopefully this video was useful. So if you didn't know about this, just let me know in the comment in the section below, and see you in the next class.